Did you know that you have skills that lend themselves to make hundreds, if not thousands dollars per month, even as a beginner? In this video, I will share with you the top skills that you can start making money from the comfort of your home, even as a beginner. I've done it, so can you. The first one is writing. If you love writing, this is perfect. It is such a high in demand skill and pays really well. Writing can be anything from creating content, copywriting, website copies, but also articles, legal, medical, creative, stories, ghostwriting, writing a book. Writing has so much potential. It's high in demand and it earns somewhere from $30 an hour way up to over 100 an hour. And so many influencers, clients, companies, they need writers for their copy. They don't have time, and that's where you come in. The second one is speaking. Do you love to speak just like I do? Then this skill is perfect to land speaking jobs. Speaking jobs are voiceovers, but also singing, but also presenting webinars, creating audio, creating videos for a client. Even speaking in different languages or speaking just words or sentences. You can get paid by the hour, you can get paid by the project, and I've done all of them and I love all of them. There's such a variety if you don't mind speaking. So you can earn from 30 to pretty much on average $100 per hour with speaking gigs. The third one is a virtual assistant. Do you have creative, administrative, technical skills? This is perfect for you because it's high in demand, it will not disappear, and it gets paid really well. You can get paid by the hour, you can get paid by the project. You can earn somewhere from, let's see, 20 easily up to $60 an hour. Now, virtual assistant, you actually provide tasks like planning, scheduling, organizing, scheduling meetings for busy people. There will never be a shortage of busy people needing skills that you have and help them as a virtual assistant. Next is designing. Web design, graphic design. Are you creative? Do you love to design? This is right for you because you will find jobs easily that are website, graphic design, creating flyers, postcard, business cards, logos. You can even learn this skill easily. If you don't have a lot of experience, there are free websites out there like Canva where you can create images, logos, designs for free, and it's so easy to learn. So this is a skill that even if you don't have it, you can still learn it and you can easily make money from 20, 30 up to 100 or more dollars an hour. The last one is one that not a lot of people talk about, but if you have this skill, then it's right for you. By the way, if you like my content, please hit that like button and also subscribe because I'm helping you with weekly videos so that you can make more money. Now, this skill that you might have, are you good in spreadsheets, Excel sheets, creating formulas, analyzing data, doing that typical Excel work? This could be right for you. There are so many jobs out there that for people that are not good in creating spreadsheets, graphs, formulas. You can check, you can create, you can help them, you can analyze things, research, and use those skills that you have to make really good money on Upwork. Now you want to know the most high in demand skills that earn even more money? Then make sure you watch this next video in the series and I'll see you there.